Hey, this is Coach Luke with Training HAUS, and I'm here to give you my top 4 mobility drills. I broke it into 4 sections by body part, kind of addressing what I see as the most important thing at each of those body parts. We're going to start by going through a myofascial release drill, addressing some of the soft tissue to help improve our mobility, and then we're going to go through a mobility drill for that area. We're going to start first with the spine. We're going to do a psoas release. Psoas are deep hip flexor muscles. And then we're going to go through the cat-cow to help restore both flexion and extension to your spine. From there, we're going to the hips. So I'm doing a glute med release, which is an important hip external rotator muscle. Then our standing pigeon lean and lift, which is again is going to help improve both our flexibility, the range of motion that we have available to us, and then also our active mobility, how much of that range of motion we can access in external rotation. For the shoulders, we're going to go through a rotator cuff release, one that tends to get pretty sensitive, so be ready for that one. And then we're going to go through the Cuban press to help restore both internal and external rotation at the shoulders. The shoulders tend to be a little bit more of an unstable joint by nature. The joint capsules are sitting in a shallower labrum. So we're going to go through more of a stability-based drill to help improve your shoulders functions instead. And then for the ankles, we're going to go through a myofascial release for the calf, specifically the gastrocnemius, right? And then we're going to go through improving some of your dorsiflexion. For more content, follow me on Instagram at Coach Rudberg, and then check out my website at trainwithluke.com. Thank you.